Snoring can threaten your marriage, and it can also be a health risk. If you suffer from any of these symptoms, you may have a serious sleeping disorder, but there is an easy solution. Call the Snoring Center. Untreated, snoring can lead to obesity, stroke, even a heart attack. Stop snoring permanently. Call the Snoring Center now.